So we've all been in this situation. You've finished doing the dishes, you release all the water, you go over to your shower and all your filthy dishwater has come up and backwashed through the shower. Some of the new caravans are fitted with devices like this which assist in backflow prevention. But why does it happen in the first place? Here I've jerry-rigged up a grey water pipe with 3 loops in it, an entry at the top and an exit at the bottom. If you watch this top line here and this bottom line here, you'll see the second it moves up the next loop, the back pressure increases equally to the pressure on that next loop. So that next loop might be 30 centimeters tall. Here you can see we're already at about 45 centimeters back pressure. You can see just as it completes, the head pressure is built so much there's actually a meter of head pressure just from these 3 coils. The issue here is called waterfall flow. It's to do with creating airlocks in your hoses because your hose is not uncoiled or flat. And for these 3 kinks that are all 30 centimeters high, that creates 90 centimeters of back pressure, which is enough to make your shower a lower exit than the end of your pipe, even though the pipe is on the ground. As always, a huge thank you for Dario Caravans and Repairs for letting us use their yard. I wouldn't be able to do any of these videos without them. If you're looking for a snowy river, make sure you pop in and see them.
Thanks for watching, bye!